and adaptable to future upgrades. Third, we are converging command and control. We are taking our existing C2 systems, the Integrated Tactical Network, the Command Post Computing Environment, and the Integrated Air and Missile Defense Battle Command System, and ensuring they can plug into a joint architecture. Fourth, we are converging information. The Army is learning to harness artificial intelligence, machine learning, low Earth orbit satellites, and the cloud to link all of our thousands of sensors, the best shooters, in the right C2 nodes. Fifth, we are converging terrain. And this ties back to the need for calibrated force posture and putting the right people with the right systems in the right places throughout the world. Finally, we are converging these 5 components with each other. That is Project Convergence. And that is how the Army will contribute to the combined joint all-domain command and control system. We will be able to see, understand, decide, and act first, and we will win. As I mentioned earlier, transformation also includes establishing new organizations and reorganizing critical capabilities. In addition to new organizations like multi-domain task forces, we have formed 6 Security Force Assistance Brigades, 5 in the active component, and 1 in the National Guard. The SFABs are established to train, advise, and assist our military partners around the world and are aligned to combatant commands. These organizations allow us to compete and strengthen relationships and interoperability with our allies and partners. We're also developing organizations to operate in the information space to enable us to counter the weaponization of information by our competitors. We are continuing to transform how we train the future force. We are building synthetic training environments like One World Terrain and cyber ranges to train our force to defeat emerging threats in these environments. We are developing virtual reality and augmented reality training through systems like the Integrated Visual Augmentation System, or what we call IVAS. These environments enable training to meet the multi-domain operations concept and train across all 5 domains using innovative technologies. Our 6 modernization priorities haven't changed, and we are aggressively committed to developing and fielding these systems. The time is now to continue our momentum. Part of this transformation is how we develop the systems themselves. Take IVAS as an example. In less than 2 years, we were able to take a great idea from concept to prototype. We combined the efforts of our traditional night vision goggle partners with non-traditional partners, like computer experts and gamers, to design a transformational platform for our warfighters. What started off as a system to improve our night vision turned into a totally new capability. It will change how soldiers plan, rehearse, and execute operations. In planning, it will provide technology like room mapping, where soldiers will map the terrain around them and then use those graphics to build tactical plans. In rehearsal, IVAS Technologies will provide a virtual reality training environment that replicates the operational environment. Soldiers will conduct rehearsals where through IVAS they will see, move, and operate as if they were on the objective. And in execution, the soldiers will continue to wear IVAS. Now, operating in familiar terrain, they can be augmented with tools like real-time video feeds from drones. IVAS will also link to the scope of the soldier's weapon and allow them to shoot around corners or over obstacles while staying behind cover. And what's really exciting is who knows what else our soldiers can do with this platform in the future. We're also applying transformational approaches across the other 6 modernization priorities. For example, for long-range precision fires, we've had very successful tests with the hypersonic and precision strike missiles. These will give us the ability to penetrate anti-access and aerial denial systems. They provide us the capability to strike dynamic targets to include sinking ships. We recently conducted the down select for the Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft and the Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft. Future Vertical Lift will give us the ability to conduct long-range aviation operations, increase our loiter time, and extend our battle space range and depth. We're also just conducted a successful test with the Integrated Air and Missile Defense Battle Command System.